On a previous Silverwax car care tip, we talked about our rim and tire cleaner. But for the really tough jobs, we suggest you use our ultra strength cleaner. So for this Mercedes here with lots of brake dust, you're going to use it and make sure not to get too much on the tire and really concentrate on the rim, and don't leave it on there for any more than 30 seconds before rinsing it off, because it's really strong stuff. So you're just going to take it and just saturate the rim, making sure you get it in all the nooks and crannies. And just wait 30 seconds. Just remember that if you don't have your original manufacturer wheels, to test the product in a small spot before applying to the whole wheel to stop from damaging an aftermarket wheel.
We forget most of the time to tell to every customer, thank you to buy one product, Silverwax, and I hope you see the quality and you are happy with the products.